Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a new month and I apologize for not posting as often as I used to. I plan to remedy that, so I've got a lot of content that I've planned for this month that to be coming along. Good content to help you and other traders out there. From my own experiences, you get all my experiences for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. For those that are looking for leaked forex systems, forex robots and indicators and stuff like that, there are two links in the description box below. Go and visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. I know it had been quiet on those blogs, but trust me, we are going to start sharing again. So let's get into today's video. So with this video and a few other videos that are going to come along, I want to share with you guys some of the things that you are doing that are preventing you from becoming a more consistent and profitable forex trader. You are profitable, maybe you're not profitable, but if you are profitable, maybe you are not realizing the profits or the money that you should be realizing. So some of these things are because of what we can call self-sabotaging behavior. Because you are sabotaging yourself, it's not about the banks, it's not about the institutions or the hedge funds or your broker or the universe. Nobody is working against you in this one, but it's you who is sabotaging yourself. So the first thing that I'm going to share with this video, I'll share the other things with the coming videos. The first thing that I'm going to share with this video is watching your charts. Trust me, one of the bad or the worst habits that you can do as a forex trader or as a trader is watching your charts. I used to do it when I started trading, and the amount of regret I have concerning that, and my heart breaks when I still see people doing the same things. What do I mean about watching the charts is bad for you? You agree that there are people who can place a trade, say it's a buy or it's a sell, and that person can not even leave that chart. They cannot close their laptop, they cannot close their phone. They have to sit there and watch the trade develop candle by candle. I mean, even if the person is on a minute chart, if they are scalping on a minute chart, or if they are on a 15-minute chart, or if they are on 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart, they have to sit there and watch the trade develop candle by candle. Now, if you have been around forex trading, you already know that the markets do not move in a straight line. There is going to be a lot of pullbacks, there is going to be a lot of retests, whatever you term them. Now, if you're just sitting there and not doing anything else, and you're just watching your trade and you're just watching the chart, trust me, you are going to intervene. That's where you are losing consistency. That's where you are not consistent with your trading, because each time you are being tempted to intervene, the watching your charts is messing with your psychology, it's messing with your emotions, and the moment you see price doing a pullback towards your position, you are tempted to close it. And almost as always, it used to happen to me, the moment you close that trade, price goes straight in your direction and it goes there fast, and you're just watching other people making money and you're out of the trade. It used to happen to me. It's one of the things that I later had to confront and correct with my trading. You need to have confidence with your entries, have confidence with your trades. So what do we mean by confidence with your trades? You need, before you place your sell, before you place your buy, have an idea of where your stop loss is going to be and where your take profit is going to be. Now confidence is going to be where you are going to be confident enough to let that trade run. You are not going to interfere with it, you are not going to touch it, you are not going to intervene. Even when you see pullbacks, even when you see retests, you are not going to do anything. Some of these things you are not going to see them because you are going to place your trade, your stop loss, your take profit, and you are going to close your laptop, your phone, and you walk away. You do other business if you've got other business. You study if you are studying, if you are still at college, if you are still at university, if you have got family, you go and spend time with your family with the confidence that the market will do what the market does. Either it's going to hit your stop loss or it's going to hit your take profit. What I usually do is I place my trades and I walk away. After 4 hours or so, I come back and just see what the market is doing with the trades. There are 2 or 3 scenarios. First scenario, I might come back and my stop loss has been hit. Well, then I know it was a bad trade. No emotions about it. No harm done. The risk that I took with that trade was not enough to destroy my account. So eventually I know, well, with that trade I was wrong. I accept that I was wrong. Second scenario is you might come and your trade has moved a good enough portion, then you obviously move your stop loss in to just protect your position, and you again switch off and let it run. Third scenario is you come back and your stop loss was hit, then good for you. So watching your charts, staying glued to your charts is not going to move the market in your direction. It's not good. It's not going to move the markets. Just sitting there and watching the charts candlestick by candlestick is not going to move your charts. Instead, it's just going to mess with your psychology. It's just going to mess with your emotions. And I promise you, almost all the time, people are forced to step into the trade. They close it early and they watch other people making money whilst they're out of the trade. So first habit that you need to drop that's self-sabotaging your trading is watching the charts. Do not watch the charts candlestick by candlestick. Don't watch the charts candlestick by candlestick. If you happen to be watching the charts candlestick by candlestick, usually it means there is panic in you because you probably have risked too much. You probably have no risk management in place and you have risked too much. Your lot sizing is bad. So you are afraid if you just look aside, the market might do something and destroy your account. Now, where is the time freedom? Where is the freedom of trading in that when you're just glued at your charts? You're just like this guy who is working their 9 to 5, which you probably left or which you probably don't like because you want to be your own boss. Well, being your own boss means you need to create the environment for time freedom, time for other things, which means do not watch your charts. Don't watch your charts after you place an entry. Don't watch the charts candlestick by candlestick. It does nothing. It does nothing. It doesn't help your trading. It doesn't help you psychologically, emotionally. It just a bad habit. So I hope this video helps you learn to have confidence in your trades, learn proper lot sizing, proper risk management, and learn to just place a trade and have the confidence to let the trade do what it's going to do. Either you're going to lose that trade or that trade is going to hit your TP, and I hope that you're going to be hitting more TPs than stop losses. Okay, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Watch the coming videos. I'm going to share more of these videos.